Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A11, and today I will show you how we can check the number of apps opened each day. So at the first we have to go for the settings. Next we have to find digital well-being. Go for the digital well-being, and then let's go for the app timers. And when we are here, we can enter for every app that we have here. So for example, for the settings, and when we scroll down, we can find how many times we opened that app. So as you can see, today it is 27 times, 22 times right now, and 2 hours ago. We can also check weekly how it looks, and of course you are able to check it for every app that you have on the smartphone. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.